My name is Alex Ward-Jones. I'm based in North Wales. I specialise in sourcing BRRs, flips, rent-to-rents, as I've got a construction company based in North Wales. So, yeah, just offering hands-off investments for any potential investors that want to invest in North Wales.
Tell me about the academy. How's it been being at the academy?
Yeah, it's been brilliant. I think the main part is probably the networking. Really enjoyed it. Obviously meeting like-minded people as well. So yeah, that's definitely the best part for me.
Has it helped your career? Has it helped you get into the field?
Yeah, 100%. Because I'd say about 6 to 8 months ago, didn't have much interest, and then obviously saw Samuel Leeds all over social media. Got a bit of interest, and I think it just suited a bit about what I wanted to do. Because I've tried multiple things, and I think property is definitely the one for me. Yeah.
Amazing. Tell me about Samuel. Tell me about the team. How's it all working?
Yeah, it's really good. I've really enjoyed doing the mentor calls as well, because I've recently got my first deal and been put on Deal Connect. So, yeah, obviously just getting a bunch of mentor calls in, just getting a bit of guidance on it. So, yeah, that's definitely a really important part of the academy.
Final question.
I'd just say just do it, because obviously there's a lot of people that grow up and then they say, "Oh, I wish I would have done that." But obviously, if you do it, then you've done it, so you won't ever have that regret.